you remember how Weebles wobble but they don't fall down? Well, that's how I came up with this idea. It is merely one of the larger ornaments like this from the Dollar Tree. You're going to remove the cap. You're also going to get a bag of sand from the Dollar Tree, and this is filled approximately half full. You take a little funnel and pour the sand through the hole in the top. You can make a funnel out of a rolled up piece of paper. Now once you have your sand in here, you're just going to hot glue your cap back on. And if you're wondering what this adornment is actually one of these clip ornaments from the Dollar Tree. And it simply is clipped right onto that cap, right like that. Shake the sand up a little bit, and there you go. You have a perfect sphere sitting on any surface in your home. And you can also decide how you would like this to look, simply by shaking and repositioning. That is so simple, anyone can do it. Simply get a package of these wired garland ties that they sell at the Dollar Tree, and I chose bells, red bells to go with the green tie back. And so we're simply just going to take one of these, not all of you guys, just one. There we go. Take one of these, and we're going to take one of these bells, and because these are wired, simply take it and stick it through this end of the bell and pull it back, bend it over, get you another bell. You can actually see how easy this is. I can't believe I didn't think about it sooner. And again, just push a little bit of it through. Noisy little guy, isn't it? Once you get a little bit through, bend that back around like that. And there you have it. You have a tie back for your garland. And this is actually, even though it's Dollar Tree, is a little bit more substantial than what they were selling in the store. What an easy way to make your own garland tie back. Have you been to Dollar Tree and have you seen these two candle holders? Gold and black. It's the only two colors that I have seen. But I saw these and I had this instant idea because of another Dollar Tree item. And that Dollar Tree item is these candle rings that they sell. You see them every year. And I took this and I just simply put it on the side of where the candle holder or the candle goes, and then I just simply popped it around that handle, and there you have it. And then with the simple placing of a candle, how cool is that? I think that looks just wonderful. You get a lovely arrangement at the bottom of the candle holder. Sometimes you do have to put sometimes I put a rubber band in if a candle isn't going to be properly sitting inside a holder. I'll put a rubber band down there, and that really helps make it snug. But these are so simple to make. Literally, it is just one of these candle holders, a floral ring, put that on this side of the candle holder, pull it down over this handle because it stretches, and then place your candle inside. And if you think that looks nice, these are the ones that I truly like. Okay, like most of you, I am in the middle of decorating my home for the holidays, and I recently found and purchased two ornaments from Walmart that I just had to have. Now, when I got them home and I went into my planning and styling, I needed to convert these in order for them to be used in a tabletop fashion, okay? So, here's what I come up with. This is very easy, and I'm showing you this because just perhaps you may have purchased the same ornaments and you might want to try this in your home. So, here's what I've done. I have found these cardboard cylinders. They are 4 inches tall, and they are 3 1/4 inch in diameter. Now, anywhere from 3 to 3.5 will work just as well. So you're going to want to get something like this. I tried glass jars and that, but they're far too smooth, and we don't want to glue this together because we'll be able to use the ornaments in something else later on. That you want something to where it literally will hold and there won't be two smooth surfaces touching each other, which of course will not hold your ornament. So I also have red glitter vinyl. This is the VideoStudio brand from Hobby Lobby. You could also use glitter cardstock. In fact, I was going to use that, but I'm currently out of red. So I did have this, and this will actually work well. I have already cut this to the length that I need to go around, and I do have it slightly wider because I'm just going to be trimming it up. This is just going to be hopefully very easy and quick. And as you people know, I don't do many live crafting demonstrations like this. But here we go, let's do this. I've already pre-started my vinyl because, as we all know, if we're weeding vinyl, how difficult sometimes it can be. So I'm simply going to pull some of this back, and I'm going to hold it, and then I don't think you really have to be that straight about it, but I'm going to use, like, there's guidelines. I just want to make sure I have enough on both sides. And there, I've got it stuck. I'm going to wrap that around. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to keep it down on the counter because, like I said, you're seeing me do this for the first time. And I'm just going to pull my vinyl and roll that cylinder around just like that. And bring it on around. I'm just going to go ahead and remove all that. There we go. And then I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to see where it meets, because I think I want to cut some of this off. I don't want it overlapping too much. And I'm not going to worry too much about the line being actually straight, because mine's not going to be seen in 360 view. So it's not going to be like on a dining table where it's going to be seen from all sides. It's going to be up against the wall. I got that. And I'm just going to bring that over there. Let it stick to itself. I'll just put that there. Hold that down. And then now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to cut off the excess as best I can. I'll speed this up a bit. And there we have it. Beautifully covered cylinder that's perfectly going to match the ornament. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make this one, and when I come back I'm going to show you how you're going to use it. And now our cylinders are complete. As you see, I have adorned them with a little bit of white cord which I have purchased at Walmart. I think the white and red simply set it off. And now, through the magic of Christmas, you're going to see why. And these are the ornaments that I purchased. These, as I've said, come from Walmart, and these actually are for hanging. You can hang them anywhere you decide that you want to hang a large ornament such as these. But as I said, I wanted them for a tabletop display, and now I have simply made a beautiful base to go with these beautiful ornaments. Now, the thing is, these ornaments also come in various other color combinations. And this red and white stand that we've created today would also go with this ornament, which is a multicolored ornament. And it would look fabulous in this one as well. there you have it, this beautiful ornament garland that's posable. You can bend and shape this to your heart's desire. You can use it as I have here amongst your other holiday decor. Imagine taking this posable garland and twisting and bending it around your tiered trays. That would just add another level of excitement to the tiered trays you already decorate. I know that if you take the time to make this beautiful garland, you're going to love it as much as I do. I have wanted to make this arrangement for the past couple of years, and finally I have gotten to it. What I have here is a large 8-inch diameter ornament that you can get from Walmart. They're typically around $5. What I have done with that ornament is I cut a larger diameter hole in the top, as you can see here, represented by the lid. I have cut a small hole in the very bottom of it. I used my Dremel tool or rotary tool if you have one, different companies make them, to do both of those procedures. With that, I have filled that hole in with hot glue to give it a sturdy, flat base, but still keeping the curve of the ball itself. I then took Dollar Tree snowflake stickers and adorned the ornament as you see. I also then took this white cord from Walmart and adorned again the ornament as you see, giving it a three-dimensional look and quality with the cord and with the snowflakes. I then also did the same with the lid as you see here. The lid I then on the inside glued simply a skewer to it to turn it into a pick. I then took my florals, which my florals did not come from the Dollar Tree because I wanted a little bit higher quality floral for this arrangement. You certainly could use Dollar Tree florals. I made my arrangement and then simply adorned it with these small, once again, ornaments from the Dollar Tree that I have simply glued onto a skewer to place inside. Simple little embellishments of the ornaments, the mixture of white ranunculus and red roses, large red roses, sweet baby roses, and there you have it. An easy and beautiful centerpiece for your holiday table. For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.